We caulk and fill all the trim today at the House Edition. Welcome back to the House Edition. So this morning, I'm going to get started by caulking all the trim. I'll probably start with the crown, and I'll just work my way around the room, the whole addition. I'll get everything caulked out. And once I have that done, I'll be able to fill all the nail holes. I like to just use this regular drywall mud, this heavyweight drywall mud. And I get a little quart like this, and I can just finger it out and just put it right in the hole. So I overfill it slightly, and then I like to come back, which will probably be tomorrow, and just sand it smooth. That way you don't see any of the nail holes. So let's get started. Got to sand the seam. There's just a little bit of a lip from the seam where the scarf joint was, so I'm just going to sand it down to smooth it out. At least that's pretty close now. Nothing's perfect, but I'll put some wood filler on there later, and then I'll hit that with some 220 just to smooth the whole thing out. I'm going to have to fill this section right here with some mud and then resand that later. Very, very dusty. So now when I get started filling the holes, I just basically take a little bit of this mud and I just put it right in the hole. And I just slightly overfill it, and then I just come back tomorrow and I'll sand it down. Here we go. Okay, that's it. I got all the caulking done, except for a couple areas, like around the window, like the drywall to the window itself, and like the drywall to the shower itself. I'm going to use a different caulk on there. I'll show you that later, but other than that, all the caulking of the trim itself is done. And I've also got everything filled. So at this point, it's ready to be painted once I sand the overfill down. So tomorrow I'll come in and I'll start by sanding it down, and I'll get everything cleaned up. And then I'll start trying to get 2 coats on the trim. So we'll see how that goes. If not, I'll probably wrap it up on the next day. And then I can get into the ceiling paint. So I hope you'll join me on the next clip where, after we do a little sanding, we'll get into the trim paint. So I'll see you then.